Hey guys, Obi from Private Taxi Money. On this video I'm going to talk about how to start an Uber business. Now, one thing that most people don't realize is that Uber is just more than just driving. You can literally turn this into a business because there's several different income streams that can come from just being on this platform that we use every day to take our customers from point A to point B. So I'm going to talk about the 5 different income streams where it turns you driving and it teaches you how to start an Uber business instead of just being a normal driver. Number one, the first income stream is referrals. Now referrals self-explanatory. You just refer other drivers onto the platform so they can benefit and help them start an Uber business as well. Now that is as simple as starting as creating an Uber website. Now Calvin Hill from The Simple Driver talks about this all the time, how to create a website, because it becomes your business card to other potential people who are looking or at least remotely curious about starting an Uber business or being on the platform. So that's number 1. Number 2 is affiliate income. Now, you being a driver, you are constantly using things that you need to run your car, whether it's air freshener, whether it's certain tires, whether it's certain accessories, you name it. You can be an affiliate and sell those things to other potential people who are looking to join the platform by going on Amazon. Amazon have an affiliate program where they have things that drivers need for their cars. You can become an affiliate and offer those things to other potential drivers or even customers who will drive full stop. So that's income level number 2. Number 3 is coaching. You've got a lot of experience. If you've been driving for like 3 to 4 years, 5 to 6 years, you've got a lot of experience in being an Uber driver. You can sell that and coach other drivers so they can avoid the mistakes when they become new and join the platform. You can earn money from that. Now, a great app that I highly recommend you should download is called Magnify, Magnifi. I'm going to leave a link in the description. With that app, you can charge per hour, per minute for your coaching and get billed by that via PayPal. So coaching is income stream number 3. Number 4, business to business. Now this happens to be my favorite. Now, more than often, you're going to get customers who are, better yet, riders who will ask you, okay, so what else do you do besides Uber? Is this your full-time job? Is this your part-time job? Well, if you can learn a valuable skill when you're not driving, such as website design, how to build bots, messenger bots, which are very, very popular these days, how to, shoot videos, how, or you could take a course about how to shoot photos, to be a photographer, which Calvin Hill does on the side. You can say, oh, by the way, I also do X, because each potential rider in your car is a potential lead, a potential client. So it makes sense to learn a valuable skill part-time so you can offer this as an extra source of income on top of your driving, and that kills 2 birds with one stone. That's number 4. The 5th one is business to consumer. Now this is similar to coaching, but in this sense you can create a mini course about some of the things that you've learned by driving with Uber, some of the mistakes that you've made by driving with Uber, and you can put this into like a quick course, 5 videos, 7 videos, and sell this on your website to get extra income from being an Uber driver, or better yet, an Uber business owner. So they're the 5 income streams that can come from just being in your car and being signed onto Uber. So hopefully this helps. Like I said, I'll leave a link to Magnify, I'll leave a link to Amazon in the description box. If you like this video, please like, please share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe, because again, it is my passion to help you save so much time, cut the learning curve, the 80-20 principle with Uber to teach you how to start an Uber business, most importantly, so you can make more with less of it. This is Uber from Private Taxi Money. Take care.